We're setting up Dave's apple grinder system in preparation for our apple grinding event tomorrow. The International Harvester engine that we're about to start, and his custom-made grinder, belt-driven, and then the crusher, also custom-made. I'm sure it will be fun and entertaining as it has been for the last 2 years.
Let's see if we can make this thing run.
I smell gas. Gonna check the plug.
Pretty dry to me.
Plug was dry, so somehow gas is not being delivered.
So,
what ignites this?
this is the spark plug right here. And then it has a magneto.
Oh, okay.
We'll try it again. Oh, there she is. Let me get a glove.
There he goes. Sounds good.
It'll run. Hopefully it'll run tomorrow.
That was a workout, and I had nothing to do with starting it.